In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Nike stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before a big upside rally get triggered. Dear friends, if we'll make a closer look, this was in top where the stock had given a massive price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the third lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs, and this is a point where we got a two major positive signal. The very first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the upper side, and the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And finally, my dear friends, here we will see there is a positive diversion. If we'll place an MACD indicators, and if you'll compare the histogram of the MACD, you will be surprised to know that there is a positive hidden diversion. The price action is tilting on the downside and the MACD histogram is flat. If you'll see over here, there is a flat or upside tilt, and this is an area where we got a breakout and it's going to pump an upside momentum. And finally, and the most important signal is the chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to see the clearly triangular chart pattern breakout over here, and very soon you will witness the first target will be reaching to 70. Very first you will see the first target will be $71.55, and the second target will be $73, and between there is a resistance which stock will face, that is somewhere around $70.44. And my dear friends, whatever the stop loss you will keep, just make sure that your stop loss and the price, the target price should be with a ratio of 1:2 or 1:1.5. And finally, my dear friends, this area of neckline will act as a strong support. So far this area was earlier was in resistance, but after breakout the resistance turned into an important support because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the upper side. This is an area where we have witnessed lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is a point where we have identified the positive chart pattern breakout, ascending triangular chart pattern breakout on the buy side, and also we have seen the diversion, the positive. So with due respect to all the positive breakout, this area of neckline earlier was in resistance but has now turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like our analysis, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks, bye bye.